Good afternoon.
Who are you? And what are you doing in my house?
Hi. My name is
said,
Robert.
who are you? I don't care about your name. What are you doing in my house? Are you lost? Who are you here to see? Are you dumb? Can't you talk? What are you doing here?
Annie, baby, you're finally back. I thought you had forgotten about us.
Dorcas, what is this riff-raff doing in my house? What does she want?
No need for any name calling. This is Lovett. She's our cosmate. She's having an accommodation issue, so I asked her to come stay with us.
Wow. God, you didn't deem it necessary to let me know before taking such decision? Why? Because I let you stay, regardless of the fact that we're not of the same status? Is that it? Suddenly my house has turned to the place for the homeless.
Annabelle, why are you always talking about this category stuff? Yes, I know you are rich and poor. But you don't have to be so mean. I called you several times, but you were not picking any of our calls.
I have to remind you. I'm stating the obvious, so I have to remind you so you can know your boundaries in this place. I didn't say anything wrong, or I didn't say anything untrue. You are poor. That's just the truth. Please, you should know your boundaries. I don't want her here. I do not want her here.
Please. I don't want to cause any issues between you and your friends. Dorcas, thank you. I will just go and look for somewhere else.
Brilliant. You should leave now.
Look who we have here. Look at my beautiful friend. The fairest of them all. The most beautiful. Girl, you're looking pen. You're looking hot. You're looking sweet. So what's up now?
Okay, so you're in this house and you let this happen?
As a matter of fact, I told them that you are not going to find this funny, didn't I? Dorcas, Robert, didn't I? I said my friend wasn't going to find this funny, right? Right? I told them, but they did nothing about it.
So why didn't you push that she leaves? Why didn't you even call me?
Can I please have a word with you on the side?
I don't want her here.
Can you just come first? Annabelle, calm down. You see this girl there? She is a bookworm. She's very intelligent. So having her stay here, we have advantage. You see all those are coursework and assignments that we can do? She's going to help us out. As a matter of fact, no more carryovers, no more delays of submitting assignments. What do you think about it?
Are you sure?
Very sure. Right.
Oh well, my mom is a renowned philanthropist. And as such, I should take inner steps, right?
Yes.
I'll let you stay. Hey, I don't want you loitering around the house. I don't want you invading my privacy. I don't want you in my space. I need you to know your boundaries. Do I make myself clear?
Thank you very much. Yes, I will stay on my way. I will stay out of your way. Thank you so much. I am grateful. Thank you. Sorry. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Promise. Thank you. Bye.
Madam, why are you still frowning? I just said she can stay.
I don't like it when you make a mountain out of a small issue. Small thing, you start shouting.
I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry. Can I get a hug? Save it. Remember, Doc, as I told you, always use my lemon to clear your throat. Your voice is coarse. I need you to remember that.
Right.
Right? My box, please.
I'm getting it. Shh. 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 Hello. What are you looking at? Haven't you seen a fine girl before? Huh? Mop less, please. So, Annabelle, welcome back home.
My box!
I'm coming! This is going to be really heavy. what's her name? Lovette. Hey, Lovette! Huh? Come help me with this.
Sure.
Help me. Why are you acting so confused? Help me. There, down there, yeah. Careful. I said careful.
Sorry.
Let's go. Annabelle, good to have you back.
Sorry.
If you break anything in this bag, well, this bag is loaded. I know I'm going to get scams from it. Can you concentrate? Sure. Honey, I'm almost there. What? Don't break anything here.
What are you doing here? And what's that? Were you sent to kill me?
What? No. No, I only brought you breakfast. And I've been knocking you. You didn't answer, so I decided to let myself in.
Wait, you decided to let yourself in without my consent? You feel it's nice to barge into my room?
No, I was knocking. I knocked.
And did I tell you to come in? Did I? I told you from the very onset that you shouldn't overstep your boundaries, and you're doing it. Don't test me, oh. Do not. Take this rubbish away.
I just brought breakfast for you.
I said you should take it out. I'm not hungry. I never asked for this shit. Take it out!
Sorry.
Take it away!
Sorry.
Do you sense?
Sorry.
Don't you ever barge into my room like that. Miscreants. Yeah, I've heard you. Okay, sir. Thanks. I've tried talking to him, but he's still asking for what I can't afford.
You see that, Mr. Peter? I despise him so much. With that his big stomach and flat bum bum. And that is ancient of these glasses that he will never change after getting money from students. That's how they will milk everybody of the little opportunity that they have. Especially you, that your mother is rich and influential. They will not rest. Every time they want to be on your case.
Well, I don't care. I'm not giving him a penny. I won't give him anything. He can fail me for all he wants.
No, don't say that now.
I don't care. I don't.
That's how they be misbehaving.
Hello, baby. How are you? Are you okay? What's wrong? Oh, how much is it? 150,000 naira and you're sounding that way? Come on. I'll do you a transfer right away, okay? It's okay, calm down. I love you too. Bye-bye.
I'm sure that was Kingsley, right?
Mm-hmm. His sister is sick and he needs 150,000 naira for her medicine.
150,000 naira?
Yep.
And you're going to give him that? Yes, I know. I know you're going to give him that. Besides, it's long I last set my eyes on him. So when is he coming around again? Did I say anything bad? Okay, I'm sorry now. I didn't... Oh, yeah, take. Yeah. Take now, I'm sorry. Why are you looking at it like that?
I don't think you cut it properly. Here. Take it.
I did now. Okay.
Here. That's more like it. Are you for real? No, you shouldn't be taking such from people like that, honestly.
Sometimes I just try to act like you,
Hey. Oh, are you guys going out?
No. We're going to the toilet. Are your eyes so tiny that you can't see the obvious? That we're dressed to go out. Are you guys getting out?
Sorry, I didn't mean to annoy you. I'm only asking because I thought we had to study together for tomorrow's test.
And who said that we forgot about the test? Huh? That's why you're here, right? To read. And that's what you're doing. So read for 3. We're all counted on you.
I don't understand what you mean. Read for 3. I mean, how does my reading alone going to help you with your own test?
Don't worry, darling. With time, you will understand. Right now, read up. Read to understand. Okay? We're counting on you again.
I said read for 3 with emphasis. Read for 3. Okay, don't come and tell me tomorrow what I read it just for 2 persons of myself. For 3. Okay? Don't worry.
Read for 3.
What did I ever do wrong?
What happened?
All I've shown him is love. I've cherished him. I've given him everything he has ever asked for and more. So why will he choose to repay me with a heartbreak?
That idiot, that ingrate did this to you.
Why will Kingsley do this to me?
God will punish him after eating all your money. What kind of nonsense is this now? It's okay. It's okay.
Annabelle, I don't know if this is the right time for me to say this, but I have to say the truth. I don't think you deserve all of this. I mean, all this relationship stress is not what you need. You have more than enough books to read. Focus on your studies. I know your mom has money, but just put yourself in my shoe or others out there which don't have the opportunity. Stop wasting...
Madam, keep quiet. Which shoes? She should put herself in this kind of your shoes. Are you okay? Eh? What's wrong with you? Someone is here grieving. Is this how to console someone? You're busy blabbing nonsense from your mouth. Yeah, hold it. Don't say anything.
Kingsley, why me?
Sorry for yourself.
I really leave me, Kingsley. This is not good.
It's okay. Cry it out, baby. Cry it out.
I just want to go home. I just want to go home.
Go. Here. It's fine. Sorry. Oh, somebody's grieving your dear advising nonsense. Are you fine?
I'm not. How can I be fine?
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Trust me. Let me
just get into the car. Get in.
Wait. Where do you think you're going? You?
To school.
Okay.
And please, can I just tag along with you? I'm really late. I have lectures this morning.
Did I hear you correctly? Tag where? In whose car? The same car that you said I used in chasing men and winning them over. Isn't it what you said last night?
Annabelle, I'm sorry about yesterday. Please. I just want to go.
You don't want to do anything. I don't know what you want to do, and I don't even want to know. Okay? I want you to trek Your focus is not on men, right? So trek to school.
Now, Annabelle. She already said she's sorry. Do you want her to trek to school? She's already late.
Oh, and you're sad about it. If you're so sad about it, why don't you give her your spot in the car? Let her get in the car while you trek to school. You can walk to school. It's not a problem. Please don't even enter my car. You can walk to school. You have legs. Ephraim, open the gates, please. Get in.
Lovette, right? That's your name?
And how did you know my name?
Well, if you were interacting with your classmates, you know that I'm your classmate. My name is Samuel. Well, they call me Sammy around here.
Oh.
Yes.
Hi, Sammy.
It's my pleasure. So, where are you going?
Well, I'm off to school.
Okay, let me drop you then.
Don't mind. I'm really close to school now. I just head on.
Lovette, we have a test in 10 minutes, alright? And you don't want to be late. So do I. So let's go.
Thank you.
Philo, come here. Come.
Wait.
Philo, what is this?
What does it look like?
This thing where they inside here now. Now small picking food. I be in my food with this.
Say, I don't get time for you. If as you see this food, you don't like them or you don't want to chop them, just give the food flags back to me. Forget about food today. You hear me?
Philo, yeah, let me tell you something. You are trying me in this compound, no? Hey, you they try me, oh. Ha! See, may I tell you something, If that be your husband, no more reason am. If that me, now your husband, you go put this kind of food down and go serve me.
Hey, stop that nonsense. What are you talking about? Which kind of nonsense husband you announce? As you see me so, as I fool like this, I no see anything do again. Now, to marry you. No, what you gonna make me, Philomena, marry somebody where they like you? Person when 2 legs no reach ground. As in,
I forget. I don't even know. What it go make me self even come they think of even marrying somebody like you self? That mistake I do now, God forbid. But you see, Philo, time don't reach when me and you and madam go sit down talk this matter. I tell you, time don't reach when me and you and madam go sit down talk this matter. Because now me they do all the whole hard work when they for this compound. Now me they look after una. Una go to sleep. I go to look after easy. Somebody with my condition. I go to work. I not go to sleep for night. Una go to sleep. They snore. Then you go stand up when you want to serve me food. You go reach time to give me food. You can't get sense. Your sense just end for where pot of soup there.
I can tell you, not me do you. I don't know why you are complaining bitterly about the food. I know say they envy me.
for my position as the cook. If say as you dey here, e no good for you again and you wan change position, go meet madam. Tell am say as you employ me get man, I no wan do am again. I wan enter kitchen become cook. The madam go consider maybe allow you to enter kitchen so that you go dey chop as you please you. But for you to come as I bring food to you and you be talking nonsense, you go stop. If you wan enter kitchen, enter kitchen. Go begin chop anyhow. Jealousy, jeloma.
Mrs. Iya, me.
Make I hear what? Don't stop me again.
You look me for face, they talk this thing. I don't blame you. Ha! If I blame you, make I enter bathroom bath naked. I don't feel blame you. Nothing feel make me blame you. Now see finish, now you cause am. Now see finish, now you cause am. I don't blame you at all.
If you're not hungry, give me food flask, make I go.
It doesn't mean hunger catch. I forget you some bath you now. Use some bath you now.
The food why I suffer cook.
I go. Yeah. If this food poor,
stupid boy.
If you pour this food.
Anyway, I no blame. See, we still get afternoon and night food. Now like this you go do before you go chop up. As I bring food, you come begin open mouth, talk nonsense. Now like this you go do chop your afternoon and night food. Me, Philomena, I could bring for one-legged man. You know they grateful. Say they cook, they suffer, they cook, prepare food for you. No problem. No, stupid boy.
Since now only like this, no, I will go and collect. But I don't blame you.
No. Can you just please stop asking all these questions every time? Must you always know what I need the money for? But don't you think I need money? I need money, and you know this. You know how much I need money. No, I am not.
Now you listen to me, young lady. I am not your ATM machine that you operate and expect cash to pop out from. No. If you cannot wait till tomorrow, then forget about it.
Tomorrow is not good. Tomorrow is not good. Please, I cannot wait till tomorrow to get this money. Hello? Did you hear me? If you can help me, just send it now. I'll be very happy. Thank you. Oh, jeez. Are you sure she's going to send this money?
Rubbish.
Please, Ma. You have to take it easy on her.
Don't tell me to take it easy on her. Now, what have I not done for my daughter to make her happier in life and to become responsible? But no! She's sworn that she will see that all my efforts are in vain. Why?
Ma, do you know Annabelle is still growing up? You just have to tolerate and never give up on her.
Oh, come on, stop that. I'm not giving up on her, but she's not a baby. So she shouldn't expect me to give her anything, whatever thing she wakes up to require from me, that I will give it to her. No, she's not a child.
Sorry, Ma.
Are you mad? Get out! What will kill you is in front. Idiot.
It's that guy. Didn't you see him?
He's mad and he hits me now.
I like him. That idiot, that one that is so full of himself. He almost ran me over and you said you like him.
But nothing happened to you, right? Meanwhile, he didn't even see you. The point now is that I like him.
Wow. That
yes.
You said you just said that guy did not see me.
No, who is he?
Is that he's one of our classmates. He's so full of himself. He doesn't even talk to anybody.
Oh, my kind of guy. I need to talk to him. I like him so much. Have you ever heard of love at first sight?
Love at first sight.
This one.
This is stupidness at first sight.
Come on, don't speak to him like that. Or don't speak about him like that. Come, let's go. And by the way, I will get him.
Annabelle, are you for that boy?
Come in. Come on.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, nice. Nothing happened to you, remember?
No, but the guy almost ran me over and you're not.
Hi.
Can I sit?
Yeah, sure. It's a free world.
Thank you. Um, I know you don't know who I am, but my name is Annabelle
I
and
know who you are, so save yourself the stress. I do.
you do,
Yeah.
but I don't know who you are.
Well, that's because you don't really, mingle with your classmates.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize. I don't do well with crowd myself. Yeah. So, how may I help?
I saw you and I felt I needed to talk to you.
That's weird. In a cool kind of way, you know. Yeah, because I didn't, see you as one that will extend the hand of friendship. At least not first.
Come on, am I that bad?
I never said you're bad. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, looks like my attention is needed elsewhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright, that's fine.
It was nice meeting you,
Yeah.
officially.
Sure,
Yeah.
My pleasure. Can I please have your number?
Okay.
Thank you. What's your name?
Call me Sammy.
Annabelle. That's my number.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Bye. Waiter, can I have water and
I am so sorry. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I lost track of time. Please.
Are you really serious? You're the same person that asked me for us to meet here. Now you're coming late.
Sorry.
Look, if you're not serious, just let me know so I can find someone else.
Of course I'm serious now. That's why I said I'm sorry. Look, to show you how sorry I am, I brought this for you.
I don't need it. Let's just get down to business.
Okay.
Did you come with your notebook?
I came with the one you asked me to come with.
Okay, let me see this. Introduction. Okay.
A woman that likes to go straight to business, I like.
So this is what we're studying today. X Factor. Hope you've studied this before.
Yeah, I think I saw it in class.
In class. Do you know how to solve it? Alright. Which is why there are X passengers in a bus at the beginning of a journey. At the bus stop, 4 people got out of 6. More people entered the bus. If the number of people left in the bus is 20, how many of them started this journey? Now let's go for the solving. Quantitative reasoning. What did I say?
Quantitative reasoning.
Are you sure you're getting this?
Yes, of course. I can
Focus.
Focus.
So 24, 4K, 6.
What's that?
This is the Y factor.
Oh, is that what they call it?
I thought you said you heard this in class before.
But I didn't really follow,
Okay. So we have 18F, 9F, and 2.
2Y.
And now gives you the Y. You're getting it.
Okay, nice.
Alright. Next question.
Hey, girl.
Why are you blushing? Why are you looking all excited? What's the update?
Baby girl, what did I tell you?
Okay.
I told you that I will always get whatever I want. Right now, I am on the track to getting something I've always wished for. How nice!
Wow. So what is that thing that you want that you're about to get?
The question should be who, not what. And he is Sammy.
Sammy. Which one is Sammy's?
Wait, don't even ruin my mood. How many Sammys do we know?
Sammy. Oh, Sammy.
Yeah, Sammy.
Okay. Annie, baby. Look, babe, you just left one heartbreaking relationship and here you are rushing to enter into another one.
Can you just please save it? And for the record, that's my past.
Okay.
My ex. This is the present and my future. So please don't even remind me of that, okay?
So Sammy is the future.
Yes, and my present.
Oh, wow. Makes sense.
I'm so excited.
Oh, wow, I am excited too. Nice.
Can I have that?
You see this way? There is jollof rice and there is jollof rice.
Okay. Looks nice.
I mean, just have a taste of it.
One more. It really tastes nice. Oh. What's that more in the kitchen?
There's still more there, but Dorcas hasn't eaten.
Who made it?
Not really. It's Lover that made it. Why? Okay. What happened?
I'm not hungry. Don't have appetite. The taste of chemical doesn't taste nice.
This rice tastes of
Please,
chemical.
I actually need water. You should warn me next time, please. It's disgusting.
I'll warn you next time.
It is really disgusting. God.
This way. Okay. Next time I'll warn you, okay? You're not hungry yet.
Good afternoon, Ma. Ma, please, how can I help you?
Is my daughter in?
Oh, you must be Annabelle's mom. You're welcome, Ma. Just sit. Let me get you something to drink.
Oh, no. I just popped in to check on my daughter because I've been calling her line and she wouldn't pick up. So is she in?
No, Ma. You missed her.
All right. Do you by any chance know where she went? Or did she go on one of her frivolous outings?
Ma, no, she went, no, she went library. She went to the library. We have a test tomorrow, so she went to prepare ahead of it. Yes, school library.
Poor thing. Come on, you didn't have to lie to just cover her up. I know my daughter too well, more than anyone in the world. Believe me, she doesn't like reading. Even if she's highly paid to do so, she wouldn't do that. Never mind. Let her know that I stopped by. Tell her to call me.
Sure, ma, sure. I'll let her know. I will.
Thank you. All right. That girl we met inside. I mean, I met her and I had the strangest feeling. It feels like I have the strong connection with her. Just that I don't know how and I can't remember where, you know.
Well, I think I have an explanation for that.
You do?
Yes. Well, Ma, it's no news you've met and helped a lot of people, both far and near. Maybe this young lady is a benefactor of one of your numerous outreaches.
You think so?
I mean, that's just my own theory.
You're just consistent. You have nothing to do about it. But I think if you put extra work.
Yeah, that's the truth. I think I'm going to consider it. After everything, I'm just going to have a milk bath. Girl, you'll be seeing my skin that will be popping, honest. It will be popping.
Is anyone hungry?
No. You should go and rest. No one is hungry.
Okay. Sorry. That reminds me. Annabelle, your mom was here. She said she's been calling you, but you're not taking your call, so she came looking for you.
You mean my mom was here?
Yes.
And you're just telling me, what didn't you tell me since? How stupid can you be? What did you tell her about me? Start talking. I hope you did not tell her I went to the party.
No. I even had to lie to her. I told her you were at the library reading, though she didn't believe me.
Yes. Your brain, the only thing your brain can carry is just books. You told her you even lied and she did not believe you. You don't even know how to lie. The only thing you can do is carry books.
Are you not eating?
I'll eat.
Hey, I didn't see you coming. Okay, why you wearing that face? Why are you wearing a gloomy face? What's happening?
You've not been taking my calls.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I've been studying. Yeah, and I have a study partner who's very strict on our schedule. Most times when I'm studying, I don't take calls. Sorry.
So are you free now?
Don't you read? Like, are you not preparing for exams? What's going on? Are you one of those that buy their ways through?
What's that supposed to mean?
Come on, it's obvious now you're from a very rich home. So I'm asking if you're one of those that will grease the palms of lecturers for good grades in return.
Now take it back. Is that what you really think of me? Like, you think I go through the easy way? You don't even know anything about me, and I'm not here to sit and explain myself to you. Go to hell.
Oh, take it easy, take it easy. Why are you doing that? What was that face for? Take it easy, baby. Take it
And gone is the loser.
Oh, come here. Come here. Why are you running? Why is she running?
You are the...
Not the strongest, right? Yeah.
She is the champion. God is the loser.
This way. Oh, no, this way.
Oh God, she's a champion, and they are the losers.
Yes, we'll do that. Take it easy. I love your voice.
She's the champion. God is
I think I need to make hot water for her to take her bath.
I blame it on life. I mean, why would life lay perfection on such an unserious human being like Annabelle? She has everything. It's not like I'm envious of her. All I want is just to have a better life. I wish I can just live just a day in her shoe.
She couldn't even take her shower before sleeping again. I think you're in the right position to talk to Annabelle. For her to misuse every opportunity given to her is quite unacceptable. She's a student just like we are. And this will hamper the success of her academics.
Dorcas. Even if I was told in my dream that you would turn out to be the black sheep amongst the white, Cal, I will argue. I will say no. Look at you. How can you envisage such bad wishes for Annabelle? Annabelle. This is someone who virtually carried your cross, paid all your expenses while you were busy loitering around looking for where to sleep or to lay your head. This girl stood in for you. Well, I'm not surprised. I'm not. There is nothing that you will do for ungrateful people. They will always remain ungrateful. No matter how far you go. Ungrateful person is always an ungrateful person.
Look, I know you. It is an impossibility for you to talk to Annabelle because of what you stand to gain. When you nod a yes and applaud in all her decisions. But this will not give us a perfect ending if she becomes addicted. Please move.
I'll just let that slide.
Annabelle's mom is here. What do we tell her?
I don't know. I don't know, but I believe she knows the kind of child that she gave birth to.
What are you rather suggesting?
If we lie, she's going to catch us. Let's just tell her something she's going to believe.
Like what?
Let's go. Good afternoon, ma.
Where is my daughter?
Ma, she's having a preparatory class against the test tomorrow.
Yes, ma.
And you want me to believe that?
Yes, ma.
Let's go.
Annabelle, where were you yesterday? You left the house without a word to anyone and then you returned drunk.
Listen, I'm no longer a kid, okay? So I need you to understand it. Besides, you know how much I solely hate anything that detests me. Please, I'm not ready for this morning.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That idiot. That fool. God, he thinks I'm one of those girls that he can ridicule and get away with it. Well, I put him in a place that he deservedly belongs.
Who are you even talking about? I hope you're not talking about that idiot that almost hit me with his car the other day. Sammy.
Yes, that idiot. He's the one. Can you imagine the imp saying that I'm a lazy student? But come to think of it, all because I don't open my books to read doesn't make me unserious. I have my way around. Am I not serious?
You're the most serious person I've seen on earth.
Thank you.
Why would you even say that?
I mean, I am talented personified. I'm everything. I'm pretty intelligent. I'm more intelligent than you.
What do you want to have for breakfast?
I said I am more intelligent than you are. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I thought you wanted to argue.
Okay. These are some key points which you have to note. X minus X is 0. X plus X is 2X.
Hold on. X minus X is 0.
0.
So when there is X, you now minus X, it will now give you 0.
Yes.
Right?
And X plus X, 2X.
X plus X. But X is not a number now, it's an alphabet. So
There is
how
a
can...
1 in front of every X you see. The 1 is invisible. You can't see the 1, but there is a 1 there.
Wait. So there is a 1 before every X, right?
Yes.
Who puts the 1 there? Because if somebody did not put 1 there and you write X, how did the 1 now invisibly go and stay in that place?
That's a mathematical formula. We study and learn.
Okay, so anytime I see X, I should just assume there is a 1 there.
Exactly.
Good.
You're getting it.
Let's go.
I also know that positive and negative. The negative is superior to the positive. Everywhere you see positive and negative, always make sure you put negative. Like positive 1 plus negative 2. Your answer must be in the negative formula.
I lie. You know, that one cannot work. How can you put plus, minus, you plus something and minus? Okay, if I give you 2 pen now, for example, right? You now, it's 2, right? You now minus 1. It will now go and give you 2.
Minus 2.
If I minus 2 is 0.
It's not 0.
Say, I beg you, they confuse me, I beg. Okay, see, you know what? Just do it for me. Let me just go and submit it. I don't want to know how.
Well, how will you learn?
I don't want. The man will not ask me question when I submit it, right?
He'll ask you, of course.
He will not ask me. They've never asked questions. So just write it for me. Let me submit it. I don't have
your own
strength.
personal note, you don't want to.
I don't want to get it. Woo!
It's time to party.
Hey! It's time to party! Woo! Babe, you look hot.
Really?
You look sexy. You look creamy.
Thank you.
And then you're shining.
Thank you, darling. That's the assignment.
So should I go and get set? So I will go with you to the party. Say yes now.
Rest in the name of the Lord. Come on. You can't be coming with me every day. Today is for me, all right? I don't want you coming with me. Who knows? You might even snatch any man that comes my way. Oh yes, true. Don't look at me like that. You're not a saint. So I want you to rest. You mustn't be walking around following me every time. You're not this handbag. Get my handbag. All right? So rest. Sit down. She's trying to teach you. Learn. Learn. Come on. Learn. Oh, gotta go. Oh, my assignments, as usual. Chop, chop, chop. Take care, darling. Oh, girls, just wanna have fun. Bye, girls.
Okay, so
Please, I beg. So what? X did what?
you don't want to learn.
I don't want to learn. What is
for your exam, so
Is it your name that they will write there? If I fail, say it's my failure. Let me fail now.
at least get the X plus X.
I don't want. Every
You
time
don't
X raised to the power of 2 is 7.
It's not 7, no, it's 1.
Watch your step.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
I know.
You watch your step.
Don't puke. Hold on.
I know what I'm doing.
You're doing fine.
I know that.
You're doing really fine. Yeah. Watch your step.
Oh.
One more step.
Okay, fine. Fine, I got it.
Hey.
I got this.
Oh, easy. Just relax here. Here.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I had to bring her home. I couldn't imagine her driving in this state, so we left her car at the bar and I brought her home in my own car. Sorry.
What are you telling me? Sorry to me or she?
Thank you, Sammy. I appreciate it. I'll just take it from here. Just take her upstairs.
Easy now.
Alright. Good night.
Good night.
Where is he going? Come back here.
Can I take you upstairs?
Oh, let me be.
Annabelle, let's go to bed now. I'm tired, please. Remember we have a test tomorrow. Let's go.
Now you can leave me from here.
Careful! When are you going to stop drinking?
Look, Annabelle, if you ask me, I'll tell you the truth. Huh? I think this club thing is getting out of hand. You should curtail it a little now. You're obviously doing it and it's not nice. Look, you're not helping matters here. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry.
You better be.
So, are you not going for lectures today?
Oh, well, about that, forget about me.
Okay.
There's a way I live my life. Everything is planned and everything is under control. I don't want to subject myself to the slavery that comes with school stress. No. But everything is under control. Don't worry about me. You can go.
No, I don't even understand one thing where this lecturer talk. Like, the thing just the...
You know they pay attention now.
My head don't block. Nah, better give us drink.
Beer. Thank you. It's fine.
One thing I don't understand for
Hi.
Hello. Still later now.
No Allah. The last time I checked, I thought we were not in talking terms.
Don't think otherwise, Sammy. Hey, could I have Fearless and Gala? Well, I only came to say thank you for helping me last night. Did you hear what I said?
Of course I heard you. I'm not deaf.
So what's your response to that?
What's my response? How? Your thanks means nothing to me. Okay, when I know you will go back to that mess I saw yesterday. Your gratitude means absolutely nothing. And to add to that, do not endanger your life in the name of enjoyment. You should better think, rethink, and know why you're here.
How much do I owe you?
TikTok is better than Facebook. Some person will tell me, no, that Facebook is different. But meanwhile, Facebook, you post content and post content, nothing is even. But TikTok, if they just follow you. Hey! Annabelle, are you okay?
Please, I'm not ready for your talks now. That ingrat in there just ruined my day. And I need to just clear my head.
So what are you going to do now?
For your information, everyone, if you want to come with me, fine, but I'm not going straight home. I have to go somewhere and clear my head. Who is in or out? Huh? Okay, then fine, hop in. Huh?
I'm coming with you.
Alright, sure, hop in.
So you two had the audacity to lie to me. You told me she went for preparatory class, isn't it? For how long? I'm asking you. Take a look at the time. 12 midnight. And she hasn't returned from the preparatory class. You're not talking anymore.
Ma.
Cut your tongues, right?
It's so funny. I just want to. Where are we now? No, that wasn't. This doesn't look like home.
Take a seat.
Okay. Hello, Abby.
I'm sitting.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so funny. It's so funny. Oh my god, I need more drink. Where are you, Oka? Oka, is that you? I need drink. Who is this? Oh, I know you. Lovett, is she the lady that teaches psychology, or I don't know, I think there's this course in school.
Pictures are not helping matters at all. You in particular. I mean, how could you be so heartless to accompany her out? You got her drunk and you call yourself her friend. Really? Not nice.
Not nice. Not nice. Not nice. Oh my god.
Let's go inside. Okay?
No.
Come on,
This is bed. This is my bed. Just leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is bed. Are you okay?
Let's go inside. It's okay. Let me help you inside.
No. My head is turning.
It's okay,
I think I'm not in the right place.
No, let me take you.
Wait. You should be mad. Where am I? No. I'm in the wrong place. I'm in the wrong place. Where did you bring me to? Take me home. Take me home. I don't know anybody here. I don't know. Help! This is not home. Take me home now. Take me home.
The handwriting on the wall is acceptable enough. I think first thing tomorrow, we all are leaving this house and we all want it.
Leaving which house? What exactly are you saying, Dorcas? None amongst the three of us forced Annabelle to become an addict.
I don't think her mother will be kind enough to allow us to continue living under this roof when we have friends are not helpful. You must be kidding.
Look, Annabelle is very self-centered. We all know that. Okay? There is no possibility of making her see the damages our serious disposition will cause her in the future.
I disagree with you, Oka. In this particular case, it is a game of full chance for you. You are Annabelle's favorite. You are closer to her more than any of us. You could make her do better, but no.
Look, Dorcas, I would take any other thing from you, but you categorically pointing fingers that I am gaining favors from Annabelle that you are not gaining. What's the meaning of that? Are we not Annabelle's friends? So tell me that thing that I'm gaining that you are not doing.
Please, please. Can you just stop? Stop.
No, let me tell her now. Let me tell her. What is that particular thing that I'm gaining that you're not gaining? Why are you hell-bent on making me look like the bad person?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, Dorcas. It's fine. Let's not lay blames at this point, please.
But that's what she's doing already.
Can I talk? Look, Dorcas. Uka, we all have benefited from Annabelle. I know she has her shortcomings, but then she has been so kind to us. In fact, we are living in our own house. We need to look for a way forward. The issue is who and where do we go to?
Good morning, Mommy. How are you? Now you listen to me. And listen very attentively. Heaven bears me witness that I have tried everything possible to give you a promising future. But you have decided to besmirch my reputation by becoming useless in the school. Hey, now before you do that, I have decided to stop. I repeat, I have decided to stop sponsoring your education. Hey, don't think I'm kidding. I mean every word to the last letter. What? Hey, there is absolutely no need for your pretense. All I need you to do right now is go in there. Pick everything that belongs to you. We're leaving. Leave. I need a private moment with my mom. Leave. Go. And what are you still doing here? I said leave. Shoo. Go. I need to talk to my mom. She's not going anywhere. Hey. Go up now. Pick everything that belongs to her and break it down.
Okay, Ma.
I have never failed you in life. And I will not allow you to fail me as my daughter. I will never. Come on, this is embarrassing. If you utter a word, what do you expect to close the door for you? I'm asking you!
What happened to Madam Pikin?
No, carry this your left leg, go sit down. They find waiting happen, madam.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to know where.
Mom, what am I doing at home? When I'm supposed to be in school studying. What, Mom?
Oh, you want to be in school studying?
Yes, please.
You will not step your foot in that school till you have changed completely. If you don't want to change, then forget about schooling. Is there any other thing? If it's about school, cancel.
Mom, I'm missing a lot of tests. I'm missing a lot. Shit.
You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Mirabel, I know who you truly are. You're just a PA, not an advisor. You're a PA that just advises my mom and supports her in her company and not her family.
Yeah, well, I'm a professional in my job. And I know the ethics entailed in it.
Will you shut up? Shut it, Mirabel! I know who you are. It was your advice that mounted my mother to bringing me back to this house. All because of you. And right now you have to reverse it. And I want it today.
Annabelle, for Christ's sake, I had no say in whatever decision your mom took. So please.
Chronic liar. That's who you are. Listen, do not test my temperament. Else, I will make here a living hell for you. Don't test me. Do it today. Right now.
Excuse me, please.
Get out. Today, Mirabel, today.
Auntie, you shift now. Shift.
Give me space. Let me breathe.
It is time you stop calling me auntie. What is all this?
I should stop calling you auntie. You should be grateful that I'm even tagging you as an auntie. You should be tagged, Mama.
I beg, call her.
Shift come out for road, man. Not the one that is doing me. What is it now? Shift come out.
Skin, pick up.
As always, this is the problem I have. Since she left here, her phone will be ringing and she's not taking calls.
I think the phone should be with her mom.
Yes. She has a point.
So now, what are we going to do now?
There is nothing to do other than paying her a visit and talking some sense into her.
Look at how you are making emphasis, some sense into her. If you want to give me a point, say it rightly. Say it well. You don't have to lay emphasis by doing that. Besides, I doubt if her mom will even let us in the house.
Anyway, I love what Annabelle's mom did. She needs to be handled in a way that will make her go back to her right senses.
Yes. Dorcas, you have a point. I mean, I support you 100% on this. Annabelle needs to be taught some sense. This whole thing was getting out of hand. I mean, it was way too much. Skipping classes, keeping late night, smoking, drinking to stupor, all those crazy things. I don't know how she's able to do that. I mean, indulging in all these irrelevancies was just totally inimical to academic performances. So I am really happy. I am happy. You can sigh for all you want. I have said it and it's the truth.
That's all you know how to do.
You're a very bad friend, you know that, right?
You're a good friend, right?
You can't speak the truth when you're
good
supposed
friend,
to.
right? You're a good friend.
Every time you be supporting nonsense, you can't help your friend.
Listen,
Mrs. Philomena Young, calm down now. Calm down. Okay. My mother is not around. She's not here. I just want to go out. What else am I asking for? Am I killing anybody? I just want to go out. We can make full changes. You know how we can do it now. Eh?
Annabelle, you can't. You can't go out. We are not the only ones your mom assigned this duty to. What if people see you out there? It will definitely land all of us in big problems.
Calm down now. Calm down. I'm a girl like you. You're doing this to your fellow girl. Leave that one for me. I'm going to take care of it all. Okay? I'll take care of it. You don't need to worry. All I want both of you to do now is just to stand by me. Just to stand by me. And then leave everything for me. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Okay. That's fine. I'm going to give you people money. Ouch. I'll give you people money. I'm going to give you people 50,000 naira. 50k each. 50k each. Everybody. You people. It's not okay. Okay, 70k. Mrs. Young, 70k. Mirabel, you don't 100,000 naira. 100k. 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira. Okay, 300k. Please just let me go out. 300,000. You don't want.
Annabelle, we are sorry. We dey sorry. Okay. As it is now, no amount of money where you go give us will make us to disobey your mother's instructions. She don't tell us, say, make we not allow you come out this gate.
Okay.
And that's why you go take day. Okay. I never disobey your mama before.
Okay.
I don't come disobey am now again now.